class in charge and my old dear friends, a very good morning to one and all presented here.
Very good morning, Chavi.
My name is Chavi. Today I am here for mastering the concept on the topic of environment and sustainable development. Our topic is environment and sustainable development, which is related to our subject economics. Related to our subject economics. Before clearing our topic, we have to discuss about the meaning of our topic, which is environment. As we all know that environment refers to the sum total of surroundings and totality of resources. Is called environment. It refers to the sum total of surroundings and totality of resources. Is called environment. Environment include water, air, land, and interrelationship between them. Now our next question arises that what are the causes of environmental crisis? Causes of environmental crisis. First cause is population, explosion. Second is widespread poverty. Third is rapid industrialization. Fourth is increasing urbanization. Fifth is disregard of civic norms. It is the main cause of environmental crisis. Now we discuss about significance of environment. Significance. First is environment offer resources for production. It offers resources for production. Second is it assimilates waste. Third is it sustains our life. And fourth is it enhances the quality of our life. Now we discuss two major problems of environment. First is global warming. As we know that global warming is a major problem in our environment. Global warming is observe and projected increase in average temperature of Earth atmosphere. It is observed and projected increase in average temperature of Earth atmosphere and oceans. During the past century, our atmospheric temperature has risen from 1.1 degree Fahrenheit or 0.6 degree Celsius. Now, we discuss about what are the effects of global warming in our environment. Effect. First effect is, due to global warming, there is a problem occur of melting of ice. Second is, we see due to global warming depletion of ozone layer. Third effect of global warming is tropical disease like malaria, dengue, etc.